What if one new tool could turn your toughest workshop task into your easiest? You're in the right place. Welcome to Tools Rank, where we uncover Amazon's latest woodworking innovations built to help you work smarter, cut cleaner, and finish projects with greater confidence. Today, we're revealing 65 new woodworking tools on Amazon that will make your work easier. Expect practical upgrades that improve precision, boost safety, increase efficiency, and keep your workspace organized. Stay until the end. You might discover your next favorite workshop essential. Number 1. LOUISWARE Digital Caliper. Tiny measuring mistakes can throw an entire woodworking project off, leaving joints loose or parts that simply refuse to fit together. LOUISWARE Digital Caliper delivers fast, accurate readings with an easy-to-read digital display, making inside, outside, depth, and step measurements quick and effortless. Precision becomes second nature, helping every cut, groove, and fitting come together with far less frustration in the workshop. Better accuracy means less wasted material and smoother builds, while the confidence from every measurement naturally leads toward another must-have workshop upgrade. Number 2. Huepar Professional Digital Angle Finder. Ever spent valuable time trying to match the perfect angle, only to discover everything shifted during assembly? Huepar Professional Digital Angle Finder makes angle measurements incredibly simple, with a bright display, magnetic base, and dependable electronic accuracy for repeatable results. Complex cuts become easier to duplicate, allowing trim work, furniture builds, and custom projects to come together with professional-looking alignment. Reliable angle control keeps every project moving forward without second-guessing. And another clever measuring solution is waiting just around the corner. Number 3. OKcedier Woodworking T-Square Ruler. Crooked layout lines often create mistakes that stay visible long after the project is finished. OKcedier Woodworking T-Square Ruler helps mark perfectly straight lines, accurate 90-degree references, and consistent layouts across boards of different sizes with remarkable ease. Clean markings reduce guesswork before every cut, giving hobbyists and experienced woodworkers greater confidence from the very beginning of every build. Sharper layouts produce cleaner results from start to finish, and another versatile measuring companion deserves a close look. Number 4. ARTYMASTER Multi-Angle Measuring Square Ruler. Odd-shaped projects can quickly turn measuring into a frustrating puzzle that steals valuable workshop time. ARTYMASTER Multi-Angle Measuring Square Ruler adapts to multiple layouts, letting different angles, shapes, and dimensions be transferred quickly without complicated calculations. Creative furniture designs, flooring jobs, shelving, and custom woodworking become much easier because measurements stay consistent across every repeated cut. Flexible measuring opens the door to faster project completion, while an essential setup helper is ready to simplify your routing work. Number 5. SIIIXS Router. Table setup, bars. Router adjustments often become a trial-and-error process that wastes both patience and expensive material. SIIIXS Router. Table setup bars provide accurately machined reference heights, helping router bits, table saw blades, and other tools reach the exact setup in seconds. Consistent settings improve joinery quality while eliminating endless measuring and repeated test cuts before real work begins. Faster machine preparation leaves more time for building impressive projects, and another everyday workshop essential is ready for action. Number 6. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil with Sharpener. Broken pencil tips and thick marking lines can ruin careful planning before the first cut even happens. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil with Sharpener creates clean, visible marks while reaching tight spaces that ordinary pencils simply cannot access during woodworking tasks. Built-in sharpener keeps every line crisp, making layouts easier to follow across rough lumber, finished boards, and narrow grooves alike. Cleaner markings support faster, more confident craftsmanship. craftsmanship, and a traditional cutting tool with remarkable performance is coming into view. Number 7. RUITOOL Japanese Handsaw. Power tools are not always the best choice when delicate cuts demand complete control and a flawless finish. RUITOOL Japanese Handsaw slices efficiently with a pull-cut design that delivers smooth cutting action while reducing unnecessary effort during detailed woodworking projects. Fine joinery, trimming, flush cutting, and precision finishing become easier thanks to excellent blade control and remarkably clean-cut surfaces. Sharper craftsmanship starts with dependable hand tools, and another assembly helper is about to make complicated glue-ups far less stressful. Number 8. WETOLS Corner Clamp for Woodworking. Holding multiple boards perfectly aligned during assembly can feel like needing an extra pair of hands. WETOLS Corner Clamp for Woodworking secures pieces firmly at right angles, making gluing, screwing, and fastening much easier for cabinets, frames, and boxes. Stable positioning reduces shifting while improving alignment, helping projects come together with greater consistency from start to finish. Stronger assemblies create better-looking furniture, and another installation tool is waiting to speed up finishing touches. Number 9. ECY Cabinet Hardware Jig. Cabinet handles installed even slightly off-center can instantly spoil the appearance of an otherwise beautiful project. ECY Cabinet Hardware Jig delivers repeatable drilling positions that simplify hardware installation across drawers, doors, and cabinet fronts with dependable consistency. Accurate hole placement speeds up production while reducing expensive mistakes that often happen with manual measuring methods. Perfect hardware alignment adds a polished finish every builder appreciates. And one final workshop favorite is ready to complete today's countdown. Number 10. GOINGMAKE All-Metal Pocket Hole Jig Kit. Weak joints and uneven assembly can shorten the life of furniture that took hours to build. GOINGMAKE All-Metal Pocket Hole Jig Kit creates accurate pocket holes with durable metal construction designed to handle repeated woodworking projects with dependable performance. Strong, hidden joints make cabinets, tables, shelves, and frames look cleaner while adding dependable structural strength where it matters most. Solid joinery transforms ideas into lasting creations with greater efficiency, proving this tool is a powerful way to make every woodworking project easier. Number 11. EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set. Nothing feels more frustrating than finishing a beautiful board only to see screw heads sticking above the surface. EZARC Countersink Drill Bit Set solves that problem by drilling clean pilot holes and smooth countersinks in one simple step, helping every fastener sit perfectly flush. Multiple bit sizes handle different woodworking projects with impressive consistency, making furniture, cabinets, and decorative builds look far more refined. Cleaner fastening creates stronger results with less sanding afterward. And another workshop favorite is ready to improve your finishing process. Number 12. Amazon Basics Woodworking Hand Planer. Rough lumber can quickly turn an exciting project into hours of exhausting sanding and uneven surfaces. Amazon Basics Woodworking Hand Planer removes thin layers of wood with controlled precision, helping flatten edges, smooth faces, and fine-tune joinery without relying on power tools. Comfortable handling gives greater control while producing crisp, clean finishes that make every project look carefully crafted. Smoother stock keeps every build progressing with confidence, while a carving companion is about to unlock even more creative possibilities. Number 13. BeaverCraft Wood Carving Knives Kit. Plain blocks of wood rarely reveal their full potential without the right carving tools in your hand. BeaverCraft Wood Carving Knives Kit provides specialized blades designed for detailed shaping, fine cut, and comfortable handling during everything from decorative carving to functional woodworking. Sharp edges glide through wood with excellent control, allowing creative ideas to become impressive handmade pieces with remarkable precision. Detailed craftsmanship becomes easier to achieve every session, and another clamping solution is waiting to strengthen your projects. Number 14. SpeTool Panel Clamps. Panels shifting during glue-ups can leave gaps that are impossible to ignore once everything dries. SpeTool panel clamps hold boards securely while applying even pressure across wide surfaces, helping create tighter glue joints with better alignment throughout assembly. Balanced clamping reduces warping and saves valuable cleanup time by keeping projects stable until the adhesive fully cures. Stronger panel construction delivers dependable results every build, and another reliable holding system deserves your attention. Number 15. BGASNW Premium Bench Dog Clamp Set. Keeping workpieces locked in place often becomes a constant battle that interrupts workflow again and again. BGASNW Premium Bench Dog Clamp Set grips materials securely on compatible workbenches, allowing sanding, routing, cutting, and assembly to happen with greater stability. Quick positioning makes setup simple while reducing unwanted movement that can affect both accuracy and safety during demanding woodworking tasks. Stable work surfaces encourage faster, cleaner craftsmanship, and an innovative table saw accessory is ready to sharpen your cutting routine. Number 16. GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide. Cutting narrow strips safely can test even experienced woodworkers when material gets too close to the blade. GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide keeps spacing consistent while moving the fence away from dangerous cutting zones for greater control and repeatability. Uniform thin cuts become much easier, making trim pieces, edging, and specialty woodworking projects far more predictable every single time. Safer cutting habits support better productivity across every workshop, and another pocket hole solution is waiting to simplify joinery. Number 17. BORA Compact Metal Pocket Hole Jig Kit. Joining boards neatly without visible screws often feels challenging when precision matters most. BORA Compact Metal Pocket Hole Jig Kit creates accurate pocket holes with durable metal construction that stands up to repeated workshop use while staying easy to position. Compact size fits tight spaces, making repairs, custom furniture, shelving, and cabinet building faster without sacrificing joint quality. Cleaner connections strengthen projects from the inside out, while another measuring helper is ready to capture every curve with ease. Number 18. Soccer Contour Gauge Profile Tool. Complex shapes around pipes, trim, and corners can waste time when measurements refuse to cooperate. Soccer Contour Gauge Profile Tool instantly copies irregular profiles, allowing those exact shapes to be transferred onto wood for accurate cutting and fitting. Simple operation removes guesswork from flooring, cabinetry, remodeling, and custom woodworking projects that demand precise matching every time. Perfect profile transfers reduce costly mistakes before cutting begins, and another workshop powerhouse is ready to handle larger jobs. Number 19. SKIL Single Bevel Miter Saw. Large trim projects become exhausting when every angle demands repeated adjustments and uncertain cuts. SKIL Single Bevel Miter Saw delivers smooth crosscuts, dependable bevel adjustments, and powerful cutting performance for framing, molding, and furniture construction with outstanding consistency. Wide cutting capacity allows larger materials to be handled efficiently while maintaining clean edges across demanding woodworking applications. Accurate cuts help every project come together faster. And one final cordless essential is about to finish this section in style. Number 20. AVID Power 20-volt cordless drill set. Dragging extension cords across the workshop can slow momentum just when productivity starts building. AVID Power 20-volt cordless drill set provides dependable drilling and driving performance with cordless freedom, variable speed control, and comfortable handling for countless woodworking tasks. Versatile design tackles furniture assembly, pilot holes, hardware installation, and workshop repairs without keeping you tied to one location. Cord-free convenience keeps every project advancing with fewer interruptions, setting the stage for even more woodworking discoveries ahead. Number 21. Kreg Portable Drilling Guide. Ever drilled a hole that looked perfectly straight until the hardware refused to fit? Kreg Portable Drilling Guide brings dependable accuracy with adjustable guides that help create clean, straight holes even without a drill press, making workshop and on-site jobs much easier. Compact design travels anywhere, allowing furniture repairs, cabinet builds, and custom woodworking projects to stay precise wherever work happens. Greater drilling confidence speeds every project from start to finish, while another installation helper is ready to simplify cabinet assembly. Number 22. GOINGMAKE Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. Cabinet doors can become frustrating when tiny alignment errors make everything look uneven after installation. GOINGMAKE Cabinet Door Mounting Jig supports doors securely while positioning them at the correct height, giving both hands freedom to fasten hardware accurately. Consistent spacing saves repeated adjustments and reduces installation time, whether you're building one cabinet or an entire kitchen. Perfect door positioning creates cleaner results with far less effort, and another layout tool is waiting to tackle tricky measurements. Number 23. AXIUM Stair Tread Template Tool. Uneven walls and irregular stair openings often turn simple tread installations into time-consuming guesswork. AXIUM Stair Tread Template Tool captures exact dimensions by adjusting to unusual shapes, helping transfer measurements accurately before making valuable cuts. Precise templates reduce wasted material while making stair renovations and custom woodworking projects fit beautifully on the very first attempt. Accurate layouts remove unnecessary recutting from every build, and another versatile cutting companion is about to earn its place in your workshop. Number 24. Toolin Multi-Blades Hand Saw. Switching between different saws during one project can interrupt momentum and slow steady progress. Toolin Multi-Blades Hand Saw offers interchangeable blades designed for various cutting tasks, giving greater flexibility across wood, trim, and detailed workshop projects. Comfortable grip improves control, while quick blade changes keep work flowing instead of searching through crowded toolboxes for another saw. Versatile cutting keeps productivity climbing throughout demanding builds, and another precision measuring solution is ready for center stage. Number 25. SIIIXS Miter Saw Protractor. Finding matching inside and outside angles can become frustrating when every measurement seems slightly different. SIIIXS Miter Saw Protractor transfers exact corner angles directly to your miter saw, removing complicated calculations and reducing setup time before cutting begins. Clear markings improve confidence while producing cleaner joints for molding, trim, framing, and custom woodworking applications. Accurate angle transfers help projects fit together beautifully, while another framing accessory is prepared to sharpen layout work. Number 26. Bellodomo Stair Gauges for Framing Square. Repeated measurements on framing squares can eat away valuable workshop time during large projects. Bellodomo stair gauges for framing square lock firmly onto framing squares, creating repeatable references for stair layouts, rafters, and consistent woodworking measurements. Solid grip keeps markings dependable while reducing small errors that often multiply across larger construction tasks. Reliable reference points lead to smoother workflow every single day. And another specialty cutter is about to impress with clean precision. Number 27. Gartle Miter Shears. Delicate molding and trim pieces can splinter when traditional cutting methods aren't the right match. Gartle Miter Shears deliver crisp angled cuts without creating dust, making quick work of plastic trim, molding, soft wood, and decorative finishing materials. Replaceable blade and angle guides help produce consistent cuts that fit together neatly during installation. Cleaner finishing details elevate every woodworking project, and another measuring essential is ready to brighten your toolbox. Number 28. Perfect Measuring Tape. Pink Bright Line. Faded tape markings can slow every measurement and increase the chance of expensive mistakes. Perfect Measuring Tape. Pink Bright Line features bold, highly visible markings that stay easy to read, helping measurements happen faster in bright workshops or dim job sites. Comfortable handling and clear graduations make repeated measuring less tiring, while improving layout accuracy across every project. Easy-to-read dimensions keep work flowing without hesitation. And another workshop favorite is about to secure materials with remarkable grip. Number 29. X-Fasten Double-Sided Woodworking Tape. Tiny workpieces often shift at the worst possible moment, ruining otherwise perfect cuts and routing passes. X-Fasten Double-Sided Woodworking Tape holds templates and materials firmly without complicated clamping, allowing routing, carving, sanding, and precision cutting to stay accurate. Strong adhesion removes cleanly after use, protecting finished surfaces while saving valuable setup time in busy workshops. Secure positioning encourages cleaner craftsmanship with every pass, and one final lifting helper is ready to make heavy work feel surprisingly manageable. Number 30. XClife's labor-saving arm jack handle. Heavy cabinets, doors, and large panels can be exhausting to position alone with complete accuracy. XClife's labor-saving arm jack handle lifts and supports substantial weight through controlled adjustment, helping installations become smoother and much more precise. Fine height control allows one person to align materials confidently while reducing physical strain during demanding woodworking and remodeling jobs. Effortless lifting keeps productivity high from the first project to the last, setting up the countdown for even more impressive woodworking discoveries ahead. Number 31. Horace D. Bar Clamps for Woodworking. Glue-ups can become stressful when boards keep sliding apart before the adhesive has a chance to set. Horace D. Bar Clamps for Woodworking apply steady pressure across your workpiece, helping keep panels, frames, and furniture parts firmly aligned throughout assembly. Comfortable adjustment makes clamping faster while reducing shifting that can lead to uneven joints and frustrating rework. Solid holding power keeps every project moving toward a cleaner finish. And another precision layout tool is ready to sharpen your accuracy. Number 32. MilesCraft Center Scriber and Offset Measuring. Perfect center lines are surprisingly difficult when you're relying on rough estimates and repeated measurements. MilesCraft Center Scriber and Offset Measuring creates accurate center marks and consistent offsets quickly, helping layouts stay clean before cutting, drilling, or shaping begins. Simple operation saves valuable workshop time while improving symmetry across furniture parts, panels, and decorative woodworking projects. Reliable markings build confidence from the very first step, while another installation solution is about to simplify hinge work. Number 33. GOINGMAKE Metal Concealed Hinge Jig. Hidden hinges can be frustrating to install when every hole must land in exactly the right position. GOINGMAKE Metal Concealed Hinge Jig guides drilling with dependable alignment, making cabinet doors easier to prepare for clean, professional-looking hinge installation. Durable metal construction supports repeatable accuracy across multiple doors without slowing down larger woodworking projects. Consistent hinge placement creates polished results every single time. And another finishing helper is ready to improve edge quality. Number 34. Soccer Woodworking Edge Corner Flattening Tool. Uneven edges can steal attention from an otherwise beautiful woodworking project. Soccer Woodworking Edge Corner Flattening Tool smooths edges and levels corners with controlled performance, helping finished pieces feel cleaner and look far more refined. Comfortable handling allows quick touch-ups while improving the appearance of shelves, cabinets, furniture, and custom wood creations. Refined finishing brings every detail together beautifully. And another marking essential is preparing to speed up accurate drilling. Number 35. Nicpro Automatic Center Punch for Metal. Drill bits often wander across hard surfaces before creating the first hole, wasting both time and accuracy. Nicpro Automatic Center Punch for Metal produces a precise starting point with spring-loaded action, eliminating the need for a separate hammer during layout work. Reliable indentation keeps drill bits from slipping while improving consistency across woodworking hardware and workshop fabrication tasks. Accurate drilling begins with dependable preparation, while another cutting accessory is ready to transform table saw performance. Number 36. GOINGMAKE Track Saw Parallel Guide System. Long rip cuts become difficult when maintaining consistent spacing by hand across full-sized panels. GOINGMAKE Track Saw Parallel Guide System keeps repeated cuts perfectly parallel, helping sheet goods and large boards maintain uniform dimensions from start to finish. Quick adjustments improve efficiency while reducing measuring time before every pass through demanding woodworking projects. Consistent sizing turns challenging cuts into repeatable success, and another safety-focused helper is waiting beside the saw. Number 37. MILESCRAFT Push Block for Table Saws. Hands should never be closer to spinning blades than absolutely necessary during woodworking. MILESCRAFT Push Block for Table Saws provides stable control over workpieces while increasing distance from cutting edges, helping improve safety and cutting confidence. Comfortable grip and secure traction make narrow stock easier to guide through table saws, jointers, and router tables. Better control encourages cleaner, more consistent results every day, while another dependable clamping solution is about to strengthen large glue-ups. Number 38. Ponywood Gluing Pipe Clamp Fixture. Large woodworking projects demand clamping power that ordinary clamps often struggle to provide. Ponywood Gluing Pipe Clamp Fixture transforms compatible pipes into adjustable clamps, capable of handling wide panels, tabletops, cabinets, and oversized assemblies. Flexible length gives greater versatility while delivering even pressure across demanding glue-ups with dependable holding strength. Expanded clamping capacity keeps ambitious builds on schedule. And another cordless woodworking performer is ready to smooth rough stock. Number 39. DeWalt 20-Volt Max Planer. Removing rough surfaces by hand can quickly drain energy before the real woodworking even begins. DeWalt 20-Volt Max Planer delivers cordless planing performance that smooths boards, trims edges, and removes uneven material with impressive speed and control. Battery-powered freedom allows work almost anywhere while producing cleaner surfaces for joinery, finishing, and furniture construction. Flatter boards make every following step easier to complete, and one final routing companion is ready to shape your ideas. Number 40. AVID Power Compact Router Tools. Decorative edges and detailed grooves often require steady handling to achieve professional-looking results. AVID Power Compact Router Tools offer smooth routing performance for trimming, edge profiling, grooving, and detailed finishing across countless woodworking applications. Compact design improves maneuverability, allowing intricate work on furniture, cabinetry, signs, and custom creations with greater confidence. Clean routing unlocks faster project completion with impressive craftsmanship, setting the stage for even more woodworking discoveries ahead. Number 41. Bosch Palm Sander with Vacuum Dust Collector. Sanding can quickly cover your workspace with dust and leave cleanup taking longer than the project itself. Bosch Palm Sander with Vacuum Dust Collector smooths surfaces efficiently while collecting much of the dust, helping keep visibility clear and the workspace cleaner throughout every session. Comfortable handling reduces fatigue while producing even finishes on furniture, cabinets, and detailed woodworking projects. Cleaner sanding leads to better finishing results with less interruption. And another workshop favorite is ready to support every build. Number 42. Works Pegasus Work Table and Sawhorse. Limited workspace often makes cutting, assembling, and repairing projects far more difficult than they should be. Works Pegasus Work Table and Sawhorse transforms from a sturdy work table into a dependable sawhorse, creating a flexible workstation for countless woodworking tasks. Portable design folds quickly for storage, while built-in clamping features help keep materials secure during demanding projects. Flexible workspace keeps productivity flowing wherever you build, and another marking solution is about to raise your layout accuracy. Number 43. Soccer Multifunction Scribing Tool. Uneven walls and curved surfaces can make perfect fitting feel nearly impossible during installation. SIIIXS multifunction scribing tool transfers precise outlines onto wood, allowing boards, trim, and panels to match irregular surfaces with far greater accuracy. Easy adjustments simplify complex layouts while reducing repeated trimming and wasted material across custom woodworking projects. Precise tracing delivers cleaner installations every single time, while another reliable cutting companion is waiting for its turn. Number 44. Procopo Hand Saw Woodworking Tools. Power tools are not always practical when quick, controlled cuts are all a project really needs. Procopo Hand Saw Woodworking Tools delivers smooth manual cutting with dependable blade performance, making trimming, shaping, and fine woodworking tasks easier to complete. Comfortable grip improves handling, while sharp teeth create cleaner cuts across boards, branches, and workshop materials. Reliable hand cutting adds flexibility to every workshop, and another compact tool is ready to handle intricate details. Number 45. Hardel Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. Tiny carving, polishing, and engraving jobs often demand more precision than full-size tools can comfortably provide. Hardel Mini Cordless Rotary Tool tackles sanding, grinding, polishing, engraving, and detailing with cordless convenience and excellent control for delicate woodworking projects. Lightweight design makes extended use more comfortable, while multiple accessories expand its usefulness across creative workshop tasks. Detailed finishing becomes faster and more enjoyable with every project, and another heavy-duty support system is ready to carry the load. Number 46. BORA Workhorse XT Adjustable Saw Horses. Large workpieces become difficult to manage without a stable platform that adapts to different project sizes. BORA Workhorse XT Adjustable Saw Horses provide strong adjustable support, giving woodworkers dependable stability for cutting, assembling, and finishing oversized materials. Foldable construction makes transport simple, while sturdy legs inspire confidence during demanding workshop jobs. Stable support allows bigger ideas to become reality with less effort, and another routing accessory is prepared to expand your creativity. Number 47. Roketong Trim Router Circle Cutting Jig Base Plate. Perfect circles can be surprisingly difficult when freehand routing leaves uneven edges behind. Roketong Trim Router Circle Cutting Jig Base Plate guides trim routers smoothly, helping create accurate circles and arcs for decorative woodworking and custom furniture projects. Simple adjustments support multiple diameters while improving consistency on repeated cuts that demand careful precision. Circular routing becomes remarkably predictable with every pass, and another workshop connection is about to improve tool performance. Number 48. PowerTech Power Tool Hose Kit. Dust collection systems lose effectiveness when hoses fail to connect securely between different workshop tools. PowerTech Power Tool Hose Kit provides flexible hose connections and compatible fittings that help improve airflow between dust collectors and woodworking equipment. Better dust management keeps work areas cleaner while reducing cleanup time after long cutting and sanding sessions. Improved airflow supports a more efficient workshop every day, and another table saw accessory is stepping into the spotlight. Number 49. BioDuDu Products Featherboard for Table Saws. Kickback and shifting material can turn accurate cuts into stressful moments at the table saw. Bao Products Featherboard for Table Saws applies steady side pressure that keeps boards firmly against the fence for smoother, more controlled cutting performance. Consistent guidance improves cut quality while increasing confidence during repetitive ripping and precision woodworking operations. Controlled feeding helps every cut stay cleaner and safer, while one final cutting powerhouse is ready to close this chapter. Number 50. Metabo HPT Single Bevel Compound Miter Saw. Large framing jobs and detailed trim work demand cutting accuracy that remains dependable throughout every project. Metabo HPT Single Bevel Compound Miter Saw delivers powerful cutting performance with precise bevel and miter adjustments, making cross-cuts and angled cuts faster to complete. Wide capacity handles everything from molding to dimensional lumber, while maintaining clean, repeatable results across demanding woodworking applications. Dependable cutting precision keeps every project advancing with confidence, paving the way for the final stretch of incredible woodworking tools ahead. Number 51. Jorgensen Mini Wood Plane. Small imperfections can stand out immediately when fine woodworking projects reach the finishing stage. Jorgensen Mini Wood Plane trims edges, smooths corners, and fine-tunes delicate surfaces with excellent control, making detailed woodworking far easier to perfect. Compact size reaches tight areas where larger hand planes struggle, helping create cleaner joints and polished finishing touches. Refined surfaces give every project a professional appearance, and another workshop essential is ready to tackle stubborn materials. Number 52. 2-League Flat Pry Bar Set. Removing trim or separating tightly fitted boards without causing damage can test anyone's patience. 2-League Flat Pry Bar Set slips into narrow spaces with thin, durable edges, making lifting, prying, scraping, and dismantling tasks much easier. Multiple sizes increase versatility, allowing careful disassembly during remodeling, repairs, and woodworking projects without unnecessary surface damage. Controlled removal protects valuable materials for future use, while another traditional striking companion is ready to improve carving accuracy. Number 53. Precision Wood Carving Mallet. Fine chiseling work becomes unpredictable when ordinary hammers deliver uneven force and poor control. Precision Wood Carving Mallet provides balanced striking power that works beautifully with carving tools and chisels during detailed woodworking applications. Comfortable grip encourages steady control, while helping reduce accidental overstrikes that can damage carefully shaped wood pieces. Balanced impact supports cleaner craftsmanship throughout every carving session, and another drilling helper is prepared to increase accuracy. Number 54. ARTYMASTER Portable Drill Guide. Crooked holes can ruin careful joinery before assembly even begins. ARTYMASTER Portable Drill Guide keeps handheld drilling straight with dependable alignment, making accurate hole placement easier for furniture, cabinetry, and workshop repairs. Portable construction allows reliable performance whether you're working on a bench, installing hardware, or handling projects away from the shop. Straight drilling creates stronger assemblies with less rework, and another maintenance favorite is ready to restore cutting performance. Number 55. PowerTech Abrasive Cleaning Stick. Sanding belts and discs lose effectiveness quickly when sawdust and resin build up across abrasive surfaces. PowerTech Abrasive Cleaning Stick removes packed debris from sanding accessories, helping restore cutting action without replacing perfectly usable abrasives. Simple cleaning extends abrasive life while maintaining smoother sanding performance across woodworking projects of every size. Longer-lasting sanding supplies save both time and money, while another measuring companion is ready to improve layout accuracy. Number 56. SIIIXS Multifunction Foldable Level. Working on uneven surfaces can make alignment frustrating during installations and furniture assembly. SIIIXS Multifunction Foldable Level adapts to different shapes while checking level and angle positions across cabinet, shelving, pipes, and woodworking projects. Foldable design reaches challenging spaces that traditional levels often cannot handle with the same flexibility. Reliable alignment keeps every installation looking clean and professional, while another marking solution is ready to simplify custom fitting. Number 57. Simple Houseware Scribing Tool. Gaps between walls and finished woodwork can instantly reduce the quality of an otherwise beautiful installation. Simple Houseware Scribing Tool transfers accurate outlines onto wood, making trim, countertops, cabinets, and shelving fit uneven surfaces with impressive precision. Comfortable handling speeds repeated marking while reducing unnecessary trimming and material waste during custom woodworking jobs. Precise layouts help projects come together with remarkable efficiency. And another assembly helper is about to make clamping easier. Number 58. SOSERIVD 90-degree clamp, cabinet clamp. Keeping cabinet parts perfectly square during assembly often feels impossible when pieces shift unexpectedly. SOSERIVD 90-degree clamp, cabinet clamp locks boards securely at right angles, helping glue-ups, screw installation, and cabinet construction stay properly aligned. Firm grip reduces movement while improving consistency across furniture frames, drawers, and storage projects of every size. Square assemblies create stronger finished builds with greater confidence, and another creative woodworking favorite is about to add artistic possibilities. Number 59. ECY Pyrography Wood Burning Pen Kit. Plain wooden projects sometimes need a personal touch that paint alone simply cannot provide. ECY Pyrography Wood Burning Pen Kit creates detailed burned artwork, lettering, patterns, and decorative finishes that transform ordinary wood into memorable handcrafted pieces. Multiple tips expand creative possibilities for signs, gifts, keepsakes, and customized woodworking projects with impressive precision. Creative detailing adds lasting character to every finished build, while one final workshop companion is ready to keep every essential close at hand. Number 60. UUP Woodworking Apron. Searching for pencils, rulers, and small tools over and over can interrupt valuable workshop momentum. UUP Woodworking Apron keeps frequently used tools organized with spacious pockets, while protecting clothing from sawdust, shavings, and everyday workshop wear. Comfortable fit supports long hours of woodworking, allowing essential items to stay within easy reach throughout every project. Organized workflow helps every build finish faster with greater confidence, setting the stage for the final 5 woodworking tools you won't want to miss. Number 61. Mr. Pen Bar Clamps for Woodworking. Nothing slows a woodworking project faster than boards slipping apart while glue is drying. Mr. Pen Bar Clamps for Woodworking apply dependable pressure across frames, panels, and furniture parts, helping every joint stay firmly aligned from start to finish. Quick adjust design speeds up setup while reducing movement that often leads to uneven glue lines and frustrating rework. Secure clamping keeps every build on schedule with cleaner results, and another finishing helper is about to protect your hard work. Number 62. Kata Painters Pyramid Stands. Freshly painted or stained projects can be difficult to finish when every side needs time to dry. Kata Painters Pyramid Stands lift workpieces above the surface, allowing complete access to edges and bottoms while reducing contact with wet finishes. Compact supports help improve airflow around projects, making painting, staining, sealing, and finishing far more convenient in busy workshops. Cleaner finishing saves valuable time without sacrificing quality, while another personalized woodworking favorite is ready to leave a lasting impression. Number 63. Turwex Custom Electric Branding. Iron for wood. Handcrafted furniture deserves a signature that reflects the pride and effort behind every project. Turwex Custom Electric Branding Iron for Wood creates crisp custom marks on wooden surfaces, giving makers a memorable way to personalize furniture, gifts, signs, and handcrafted creations. Even heating produces consistent impressions that strengthen brand identity while adding a professional finishing touch to every completed piece. Personalized craftsmanship helps every creation stand apart, and another workshop centerpiece is ready to transform routing tasks. Number 64. SKIL Benchtop Portable Router Table. Freehand routing becomes much harder when stability and precision are missing from the setup. SKIL Benchtop Portable Router Table provides a stable routing platform with adjustable features that improve edge profiling, groove cutting, trimming, and decorative woodworking operations. Portable design fits workshops with limited space while helping deliver smoother, more consistent routing performance across repeated projects. Stable routing inspires greater confidence with every pass, and one final finishing specialist is ready to complete today's countdown. Number 65. Tovpade Premium Micro Sander. Tiny corners, detailed carvings, and narrow spaces often stay unfinished because larger sanders simply cannot reach them. Tovpade Premium Micro Sander targets intricate areas with precise sanding control, making detailed woodworking, model building, furniture restoration, and fine finishing significantly easier. Compact design reaches tight spots while delivering smoother surfaces that prepare every project for paint, stain, or protective coating. Precision finishing turns good woodworking into exceptional craftsmanship, bringing this collection of 65 new woodworking tools to an unforgettable finish. That wraps up our list of 65 new woodworking tools on Amazon that will make your work easier. If you found a new favorite, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Amazon tool discovery. Now, tell us in the comments, which woodworking tool impressed you the most, and which one would you add to your workshop first?